Looking for faucet repair, service and maintenance in Edmonton? A leaking or faulty faucet can waste water, increase your bills, and cause unnecessary damage. At Kingstree Plumbing, we provide fast, reliable and affordable solutions to keep your faucets in top condition. From leaky faucets and low water pressure to full faucet replacements, our licensed plumbers deliver same-day service to ensure your plumbing runs smoothly. Whether it's a kitchen sink, bathroom fixture, or commercial tap, we provide expert repairs that last. In Edmonton, fluctuating temperatures and hard water build-up can wear down your plumbing fixtures. That's why we offer comprehensive faucet repair, service and maintenance, helping you avoid costly breakdowns and unexpected plumbing emergencies. With trusted expertise and competitive pricing, Kingstree Plumbing is your go-to choice for faucet repair, service and maintenance in Edmonton. Need service? Call us now or click book online to schedule your faucet repair today.